have you ever searched for a file in Windows only to get flooded with web results, shopping suggestion, and a bunch of clutter you never asked for? Well, Microsoft has finally fixed it. A brand new Windows search update is rolling out right now, and it makes searching your PC cleaner, faster, and much smarter. Let me show you the 5 biggest improvements. First, the search home has been completely cleaned up. The interface is now much simpler with less visual clutter and quicker access to your recent searches. Microsoft has also added clear label so you will instantly know whether a result is an app, a settings, a file, or a website before you even click it. Now here is the favorite change. Microsoft has removed promotional content from the search. These means fewer distractions and a much cleaner experience. Even better, Windows now prioritize local results. Things like the PC recycle bin and your install app finally appear before random Microsoft Store suggestions. And if you want an even cleaner experience, Microsoft now lets you control what appear in search. You can disable web and Microsoft Store suggestion. Watch this. The preview is being shown here in the updates. So if I type it recycle bin, it's bringing me the recycle bin correctly. So the major update is being shown in the privacy and security sections in the search area. This update has been upgraded to the Microsoft stores as well in the searching. So let's say if I mistype the Outlook instead of Outlook, I'll type it Outlook. So it's bringing me the Outlook immediately. The apps is being shown here in the search results. This update is rolling out gradually through Microsoft Control features rollout. This also has a tremendous update has been shown in the latest build also. If you see here, the ads is being shown when you type certain keywords here for running plan. The ads will pull up, but in the search result in this current update, there is no ads being shown. So the privacy and security search has been improved as well. Even the apps application, let's say I want to search the installed app, is bringing me the installed app immediately. So this update is rolling out gradually. Just keep checking Windows update over the next few days. Once you receive this update, don't forget to press Win plus F to open the feedback hub and let Microsoft know what you think. So do you think this is the Windows Search update we have been waiting for? Let me know your favorite new features in the comment. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.